Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your OpenSky credit card account using your desktop. If you'd like to get access to a credit card account to manage your payment, check your balance and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser. To begin, in the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in myaccount.opensky.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll be taken to the login area for OpenSky credit card account. Type in your username in the first text box right under login. Make sure to type in your information correct. Now head over to the password field. Enter your password that is associated with your account. While typing in your password, make sure it is correct. You can double-check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password and you don't know what to do next, click on this Forgot Password link below the login button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you're not enrolled for online access yet, click on this Need to Enroll link and follow the instructions. Finally, after entering all of your credentials, and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your OpenSky credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Again, thank you for watching.